Just a second. Yeah, the diameter of a ruler is 84 centimeter. Okay, and the length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay, so it says that the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter. Okay, we are having a roller. Of course, in cylindrical shape. Okay, we are having a roller. The diameter is given as a 84 centimeter. Okay, and the length, I said to you, length means roller is, maybe it is lying horizontally, maybe the roller is lying horizontally. You must have seen roller, right?
Yes.
Okay, so roller, if it says the length of the roller is 120 centimeter, that means we need to understand this length is nothing but just the height of the roller. Okay, so diameter is given, height is given. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. To level a playground, total 500 complete revolution it has to move. Okay. Find the area of the playground in meter square. So are you understanding? When I will be showing you a roller, when I'll be showing you a roller, when it will move completely one time, that means nothing but just the curved surface area. Yes or no? Yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
When you are having a roller and it will just move one revolution. Okay, I cannot mark it, otherwise I could have marked here with any color, and I will show you one revolution again, the same color will, you can see. That means it has covered nothing but some area. It has covered it from here to here, it is coming. So if one revolution means its own curved surface area it has covered. Yes or no? Yes
Yes,
or no?
ma'am.
Rayan, you are getting. Sarah, Bharti,
Yes,
Hanan,
ma'am.
getting it?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
when the ruler will just take one revolution, of course it will just cover a area of the playground. Okay, the area of the playground it will cover. What will be the area of the playground? It will be equal to the surface area, curved surface area of the ruler. Like that, how many complete revolution the ruler is creating? 500 complete revolution. So basically here what we have to find, the curved surface area we have to find, not total surface area. We have to find the curved surface area. That will only roll, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please find the curved surface area and tell me. I am showing you the question. Please find the curved surface area and tell me what is the curved surface area of this cylinder which is having this diameter, which is having the height as a 120.
Ma'am, the curved surface area is 31680 centimeters.
Can you please repeat, Afri?
680
31680
centimeters square.
centimeter square. Yes, rest of the student, please check it. Are you getting the same? I am explaining it, Afrin, after this one. Okay. Yes, rest of the student, please confirm. Are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am. I am also it.
Okay. Is it 31680? Bharti, Sara,
Yes,
Hanan.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Like that, how many
Yes.
revolution it is covering? How many revolution is required to cover the complete
500.
playground? 500 revolutions. See, one revolution means the curved surface area. 500 revolution means 500 into this curved surface area. Yes or no? Right?
Yes,
Okay. So we will
yes,
be
ma'am.
writing like that. Since it takes 500 revolution to move to cover the playground. That means 500 multiplied with your curved surface area, that is 31680. Please find it. Yes, what are you getting? I said you have to do the multiplication with 500. Have you done that? Yes or no? Yes. 31680 into 500 is what?
Ma'am, 15840,000.
Yes, ma'am.
158400, like that. Is it okay, Afrin?
410.
Ma'am, 40.
How many? Yeah, how many zeros we are having?
4.
4 zeros. Okay, this centimeter square is here, but in question it says that in meter square. Okay, we have to find the area in meter square. So yesterday I was telling you, maybe yesterday or before that, yeah, we can convert centimeter square to meter square, but we know that we will not only divide by 100, we will divide by 100 into 100. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 1584,000 over 100 into 100, that meter square. Okay, that means 0 gone, 0 gone. 1584 meter square. That this is the answer. The area of the playground in meter square. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do the next one. See, after this one, there are few questions
Yes,
which is
ma'am.
very basic, where it is clearly mentioned that you have to find the curve surface area and what is the cost of painting when it is for 1 meter square. The cost is 12 rupees 50 paise or something like that. I'm not taking those questions. You have to try it by yourself and you have to let me know whether you are able to do those questions or not. I'm taking here this question. Let me take it. Just a moment. The question is this one. In a hot water heating system, there is cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find here it says that find the total radiating surface in the system, and pi value we can take as a 22/7. Let's see what the question says. Okay, in a hot water heating system there is a cylindrical pipe. Okay, there is a cylindrical pipe whose length is, there is a cylindrical pipe okay, whose length is 28 meter, length is 28 meter, and diameter is given as, yes, anyone said anything? No, right? Okay, so diameter is given as a 5 centimeter, diameter is given as 5 centimeter. We can find the radius. Now it says that find the total radiating surface. Okay, so radiating surface, find the total radiating surface in the system. Okay, hot water heating system we are having. This type of hot water heating system we are having. Uh, Let me give you examples properly so that you can, let me check if I can use any figure for reference. Have you seen a hot water heating system which is just spiral like this, which we just put it in the bucket or something in a tub and it will make the water hot? Have you seen any time? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, no. So basically here we are having a cylindrical shape system, okay, which can make the water hot. Okay, it is its purpose is to make the water hot. For heating purpose we'll be using. Now if you will, here in a hot water heating system there is a cylindrical pipe. Okay, so hot water heating system is there. Inside that cylindrical pipe is there, whose length and diameter is given. We have to find the radiating surface. So are you understanding? The inside surface, the curved surface will be radiating surface. Yes or no? For this pipe, yes, the curved surface of the cylinder, that will be the radiating surface. Okay. Since it's a pipe, we cannot say the upper part and the lower part. Pipe means only the curved surface area. Now, how will be finding the curved surface? Which one will be the radiating surface? So that curved surface of the pipe, that will only is going to work as a radiating surface. Am I making sense to all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So when it says find
Yes,
the
ma'am.
radiating surface, okay, what is the area of the radiating surface? That means we just have to find the curved surface area. See, whenever you will be having question from cylinder, okay, when we will start discussing the volumes also, either you will be finding surface area or volume. Okay, these are not the questions of volume. Here we must be focusing on surface area. Now the confusion is curved surface area or total surface area. So of course we are not going to talk about total surface area because it's a pipe. Okay, pipe means open from the up, open from the down. It's just a hollow cylinder. If it's a hollow cylinder, then only we are left with one option, that is curved surface area, and we'll be finding the curved surface area, whatever be the story. So here the story is there is a heating system inside that. If there is a pipe, what is the area of the radiating surface? So we can understand if there is a pipe, then the curved surface will only work as a radiating surface. Okay, we have to find the area, curved surface area. Please find the curved surface area by using this measurement. But before proceeding, first let me know, is it clear? Like, is it making sense to you? After you said Anam, Bharti, Hanan, Rayan, Sara. Are you getting it?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Ma'am.
basically, we just have to find the curved surface area. Please find the curved surface area when the measurement is given like this. Okay, 28 meter and diameter is 5 centimeter. Be careful. All or in most of the question in this exercise, I can see meter centimeter is mixed up. Be careful and then do the calculation.
Ma'am, I'm getting the curved surface area 4.40 meter square.
4.40 meter square. Yeah. Yes, Sarah, you have got in centimeter square. Please convert it in, like, okay, leave it in meter square. Here it doesn't say to write in meter or centimeter. Okay, your answer is also correct. And yeah, Afrin, your answer is also correct. It is. Okay. Yes, rest of the student, please first let me know, are you getting the same? Yes, everyone is getting the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Ryan, are you getting the same?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so see the question carefully. Here it says that find the lateral or curve. When I was explaining the lateral surface area of the cone, I was explaining the same, that lateral means all around it. Lateral and curve surface area, it's the same terminology. Okay, however, for cone, we usually use the lateral surface area, that terminology, but these two are same. So laterals or curve surface area of closed cylindrical petrol storage tank. Okay, here it is given that, just a second, petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. We just have to find the curve surface area. It's that simple. But the next part I wanted to discuss. Okay, the next part says that how much steel was actually used. If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. First find the curve surface area, please. Please find the curve surface area first.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 5940 meters.
5940 meter square.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please, rest of the student, please find the curve surface area and let me know what are you getting.
Ma'am, I'm getting the curved surface area 59.4 meters square.
59.4 meter square. Yes, is a meter square. Rest of the student, please do it and let me know. Is it 59.4 or 5940? Okay, let's check it. Let's check it. 2 pi RH, right? Okay, 2 pi is 22 by 7. R is the radius, 4.2 is the diameter. So radius will be 2.1. Okay, and the height is already given 4.5. So 2.1, I can just write over here 7 3 times 21, but 0 0.3. Okay, now let's do the multiplication. 0 0.3 into 4.5. Into 2 into 22, this one. Okay, it seems like we'll be getting 59.4. 5940. I can see we'll not be getting 0 over here. Yes, rest of the student. Is it 5940 or 59.4? Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have written everything over here. I am doing freshly. 2 pi r h. Okay, the radius of this cylindrical storage is 4.2 is the diameter. So radius will be 4.2 divided by 2. Okay, pi is 22 by 7 if you are taking. 2 is 2 only, and h is already given as 4.5. Okay, you can cancel out this 2 and this 2. What you will be having? 7, 6 times 42. Okay, now still we have to do the multiplication of this all, but we don't have any other option. Let's do the multiplication. So 6 2 times 12, 2 carry 1, 6 2 times 12, 1 13. Okay, and 13.2 we will be multiplying with 4.5. Let's see what are we going to get. Okay, and 1 2. It is 59.40, but after decimal 0 doesn't have any value. Okay, you can write it without 0 as well. It is 59.4. Can you see it, everyone? Yes or no? Why I'm taking two digits over here? Because this one digit from here, one digit from here, this is how we do the multiplication of a decimal number, right? Right? Yes, Bharti,
Yes,
Sara, Anand, right? Okay. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is our curve surface area, which was asked in the first part. Now the second part says how much steel was actually used. Okay. How much steel? Okay. The second part says that how much steel was actually used if, let's see the question. It says that how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So this is a closed cylindrical petrol storage. How much steel is used means only the curved surface area or total surface area. So since it is a petrol storage, we cannot say it will be open from both the ends. And clearly written it is close from the top, from both the end it is closed. Okay, it is a cylindrical storage tank. Total surface area we need to find. Then only the second part we'll be able to do. Am I making sense to all of you? Yes or no? We are having a petrol storage. So of course, how much steel is used, not used, that we can check. But at first we must know what is the total surface area. That much steel must be used, right?
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
First, we need to find the total surface area over here. Please find it. The total surface area formula was, for this first part we have already done. Okay. The second part we are going to do surface area. Formula is 2 pi r in bracket r plus h. Okay, just a moment. Let me share it again. Please find the total surface area. No measurement you are already having, the radius and the height. Okay, please find quickly the total surface area. I am sharing the screen again. Please find it.
Ma'am, I'm getting the total surface area 87.12 meters square.
Yes, everyone is getting the same 7.12 meters square as a total surface area of the petrol tanks.
Ma'am, 87.12.
87. Is it 87.1? Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, 87.1.
87.1. Okay. Please check it, everyone. Are you getting 87.1 as the total surface area? Sarah, Bharti, are you getting the same? Hanan, Rayan,
Ma'am, 87.12.
2 was also there. Okay. Are you getting the same, rest of the student?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So let's see what the condition says. It says that we have to find how much steel was used. How much steel was actually used. What we have to find here? We have to find, for making the tank, how much steel was used actually. If 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted, okay, if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank, okay, that means suppose x meter square, this much of steel was there, okay, and 1 by 12 of x wasted, this much meter square wasted. And then we ended up getting the tank that is that is having the total surface area as 87.12. Is it making sense? Suppose originally the total, like the sheet, was x meter square. Okay, from this x meter square, okay Ryan, you are getting it. So from, suppose x meter square we bought from the market. From this x meter square, x by 12 wasted while making this cylinder. So whatever remaining will be there, that will be equal to the total surface area of the cylinder. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So let's find what is the value of x. We know x minus x by 12, that is 87, the total surface area. Okay. Total, suppose we bought from the market x meter square. While making it, x by 12 just gone in the waste part, and then whatever we are having, that must be equals to the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. Now let's try finding the x value from here. Are you getting it? What I have done over here? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So basically we have to find the x value from here. That much steel, I will not say, that how much exactly the steel is used. But after, I will only say, you will also say whatever you have bought from the market, that you are going to tell everybody that I bought from the market, suppose 100 meter square of sheet, and that we have used. You will not be thinking about the waste part, right? In according to us, the waste part also, okay, the waste part also, we have spent the money on that, right? Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after subtracting the waste parts amount, you are not going to tell everyone. According to me, according to you, the actually how much sheet is used? This x, which originally we bought from the market. However, x by 12 gone in the waste, that is fine. We are comparing and finding x. But x is the total used part. Getting it? Please find the x value and just a moment, no? Yes. What you got? 95.04. Everyone is getting the same. See, 87.12, we are having one option. We can just remove the decimal from here. If you are not comfortable with the calculation with decimal, then you can remove the decimal, but it requires multiplication with 100 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. Okay, so numerator will be 8712 because we have done the multiplication with 100 into 12, and denominator 11 into 100 with 12. Okay, let's try removing it. So 11, let me check this 8712 is divisible by 11 or not. 7 times 77. Okay, 0, 1, 1. 11, 9 times 99. Okay, that means 2 we are getting from there. 792 we are getting. It is completely divisible. Now this 792 we will just multiply with 12, and we will say that 12 2 times 24, 4 carry 2. 12 9 times 108, 109, and 110. That means 11. 12 7 times 84, 95. Yes, it is correct, right? Okay, it will be 95.04 meter square. This much of meter, this much meter square of sheet is actually used. Whatever gone in the waste, that is fine. Okay, whatever gone in the waste, that is fine. But actually, this much meter square of sheet the person must have bought from the market to make this cylindrical tank, right? Right? Is it making sense to all of you? Okay, so this question was very simple. I am summarizing it. The lateral surface area we needed to find, we found that. Calculation we had to do. Okay, we did the calculation. Now the next one, how much steel was actually used? Actually, how much steel was used? Now the condition is given. The condition says if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. So whatever actually used, that's 1 by 12 is wasted. So the actually bought from the market minus 1 by 12 of the same, that is wasted, must be equals to the total surface area